The verdict in the Salman Khan's 2002 hit-and-run case will be delivered on May 6, 2015. Do you think the verdict will be in favor of the superstar? Do let us know. Moving over to your favorite show, Bollywood This Week. Catch the most happening events in this section of parties and events. Sunny Leone had a great time at the Bollywood Hungama meet and greet. The team of Bombay Velvet launched the second theatrical trailer of their film.
My wedding date has been planned 6 years back. You know, since the time I had come into this industry, people always said, I'm getting married now, married now. I think it's a very special day, so let me announce it. As of right now, I have no plans. If I'm in love, yes, I'm in love. Do I feel responsible? Do I feel a sense of commitment? Of course, I do that.
करण, अगर कभी आपको अनुराग को डायरेक्ट करना हुआ, किस रोल में आप रखेंगे अनुराग?
मैं नहीं लूंगा अनुराग को।
क्यों?
नहीं, मैं गुड लुकिंग एक्टर्स को लेता हूँ। मैं अनुराग को क्या लेके क्या कर लूंगा?
पिक्चर नहीं बनाते।
मैं पागल हूँ। हम एक दूसरे को I was going to say something worse. I don't know मेरा क्या हो गया, मैं कुछ भी कहूँ कोई और मतलब निकलता है.
Katrina Kaif and Sonam Kapoor came together to launch the L'Oréal Paris Cannes collection.
मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी इंसिडेंट याद है. मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट में गई थी और कटरीना वहाँ थी अपनी मम्मी के साथ, वो खाना खा रही थी और उन्होंने एक जीन्स और टी शर्ट, बहुत ही फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट है बाय द वे, और उन्होंने जीन्स और टी शर्ट पहना था, कुछ मेकअप नहीं था, बाल एकदम ऐसे उन्होंने टाई किए थे. मुझे याद है कि मैंने एक क्रिश्चियन डियोर का स्कर्ट पहना था, क्रॉप टॉप पहना था और कटरीना was like, "Did you come from an event?" I was like, "No, I was at home. I just put this on." And she's like, "How long did it take you?" I said, 5 minutes. She's like, "I took 5 minutes as well." That's a very common occurring event with me and Sonam. I'm like, "Wow, what are you wearing? Have you just come from an award show?" "No, I've just come from home." Okay, fine.
Madhuri Dixit and Terence Lewis launched the Jugani Dance Festival.
यूं नजर से बात की और दिल चुरा गए, हम तो समझे थे बुत, आप तो धड़कन सुना गए. सारी दुनिया में बहुत टैलेंट है और इस टैलेंट को डिस्कवर करना, उसे सराहना, उसे मोल्ड करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Over to your favorite itsy bitsy interviews. Ranbir Kapoor explains why it's a pleasure to work with Anushka Sharma.
You know, so but I had the trust level with Anushka कि मैं I can be free around her. ये मुझे जज नहीं कर रही. मैं अगर एक ऐसा शॉट बना रहा हूँ, अगर ऐसा एक चेहरा बना रहा हूँ, तो ये सोच नहीं रही यार ये क्या कर रहा है. You know, he is looking so ugly or he is doing this badly. I can act with abandon and I don't have any worries and tension when I'm acting with her.
Sunny Leone reveals about her meeting with Rakhi Sawant before Rakhi made some unflattering comments about her.
I know that when I met her, when she invaded my stage for Ek Paheli Leela on Holi, she was trying to hug me and say hello, so I'm not really sure where this came from.
Bombay Velvet costume designer Niharika Khan talks highly about Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir is very chameleon-like. He changes into the character he's in and he does it really well. And he's taken on being Johnny head on, and it's been really good because he really has changed everything about him.
It's goodbye time, folks, but we leave you with our concluding fun segment, the top 5 tweets of the week. Take a look.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.